Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is Diwali, and I'll happy Diwali everyone. And I will try to cut out the cracker sound from the background as much as possible. I'm not an audio engineer, but I'll try it. All right, I'll try to do it as much as possible, but you have to ignore some sounds here and there. All right. So today we are going to develop our first website. All right, let's get started. So our goal is to create a e-commerce website, and I'm going to create a e-commerce website. The idea is to create a e-commerce website which sells keychains. All right, very unique, very stylish keychains. So what I have done is already loaded some, what do you say, um, some images, teddy bear images: black bear, blue bear, brown bear, green bear, pink bear, red bear, teal bear, turquoise bear. Turquoise, I don't know how it is pronounced, so whatever. Violet bear. All right, I have already collected these images, and this is the first day. You won't be able to create the entire e-commerce website on day one itself. All right, day one is just, I don't know, uh, knowing how to upload these images to your HTML page itself. So let's get started. Here is our. Let me cut this. Let me cut this. So let's get started, everyone. Let's start the skeleton. Let's write the skeleton of the HTML. Let's first save this. Save as teddy.html. All right. Now you write an exclamation mark, and you select this exclamation mark from VS Code, and you get the skeleton of your what do you say, HTML code. Now inside the body you have to integrate these images, these particular images. All right. So let's do it. First, what you gotta do is type in img. Now you provide a source to it. All right. So in order to provide the source, we have to know where we have created our HTML file. All right, here is our file HTML, and it is inside a folder called websites. And inside that websites folder, there is also a file called project pics, and project pics is where our what do you say, images exist. All right. So what you can write is websites slash project pics slash, again you have, let's select brown bear. Brown bear, brown bear dot png. Right, now you have to close the image tag. Now you save this file. Right, control S. So we have made an error over here. I don't know what the error is, but let's correct it together. All right. So the basic error might be, instead of, I don't know, open with VS Studio Code instead of brownbear.png. Uh, let's write an alt as well, just in case the web page has issues like this and does not load the image. At least people would know what is supposed to be there. All right. So not ALRALT, alternative. A brown bear is supposed to be here. All right, brown bear. Control S and I don't know, project pics.brownbear.png. I think this should fix our issue. Let's see. Let's see. Let's reload the page. Yes, it fixes our issue. You can clearly see an image of a brown bear on our website. Now let's make this smaller. We have two options over here. We can do it through CSS, or we can write it in HTML as well. The common practice is to use CSS, but right now, for time now, we are going to use or change the size of the image in the HTML itself. Mm, let's write width, width, width equals to 300 pixels. I think this should make our image a little bit smaller and a little bit digestible. Yes. Now let's upload 9 images. All right, all 9. Um, let's go to now. Let's type in same code as above. Copy, paste. Now I have given the bears unique names in accordance to their color, as you can see here. Blue bear. All you have to do is change the name over here, BLUEBAR, and we have to change the alternative name as well, just in case our websites fails to load. At least people should have a placeholder to know what was supposed to be there. Control S and let's see. um right, we are doing it correct. Now copy, control V. You can manipulate the height of the image as well. For example, for some reason the height here is smaller than this height, you can easily manipulate it. I'm guessing this is 450 pixel. I'm making a rough estimate. um let's change height to 450 pixel. Control S and let's see. All right, 450 pixel. It is looking kind of janky, but that's fine. These are just placeholders. We are not making a commercial website or so. All right. I don't know. Should I shorten this length to match this length instead? Because this really doesn't look good. Mm. Decisions, right? Hmm. Maybe let's remove the blueberry image for a while and let's use other images available. Um, let's use red bear instead. Red bear PNG. a placeholder for the red bear, and Control S. And let's reload. See? Beautiful. Now let's keep going. All right. Hmm. We can fix our blueberry issue later. All right. Um. IMG SRC project picks. Next is, let's select teal bear. Alternative TL teal width 300 pixel. All right. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. See, we have our teal bear as well. Mm, let's put in some violet bear, and these two looks very similar. So what I would do is put a violet bear over here, then put the teal bear over here, or maybe it will continue like this. Um, we can definitely break this artificially by using line breaks. Um, but let's see what can we do. Let's break them initially using line breaks. I know we are breaking all the rules, not using a proper grid and stuff, but this is initial, the first day of web development. So we don't, we are allowed to break some rules. We don't have to follow the rule book. Let's see. Violet bear, right? IMGSRC. Now project picks. See, VS Code is so user friendly. Violet bear, right? Violet bear. Now let's write alternative, which would be violet bear for the user to see. All right. Please forgive me for the background noise. I should have started this before or after Diwali, but I don't know. I just felt like starting today. Let's see. All right. Yeah. Now this should go underneath. We can use a artificial line break. All right. We can break the rules. We don't have to adhere to the rules. So we can use the classic BR over here, Control S, and that might show up on the next line. All right. Right. Um. Next, we have next we have the pink bear, I guess. Document. Close this. Now the pink bear. SRC project pics. PINK pink bear. Alternative. Pink bear. Width again 300 pixels. Let's see. We have the pink bear. Now let's go for turquoise bear. Turquoise bear. Turquoise. Such a weird word to say. Image SRC project pics. Turquoise bear. ALT. Turquoise bear. Turquoise. 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 300 pixel. And here we go. We have uploaded the image of our, I don't know, one, two, three, four, five, sixth product, right? All right. Next, what we have to do is move these images over here, then place some gap between these and write the price of these. What do you say? Keychains and making this image clickable to point it towards a new page. um yeah, there is a lot of things to do, but this is the first day. We are getting ahead, a lot ahead. Let me close this, and then we have, I don't know, what else do we have? Green bear is left. Green bear. Yeah, green bear. Img src project pics. Now we have green bear. Alternative green bear. BAR. Uh, width 300 pixel, and there we go. We have the green bear as well. Now, in order to move this green bear on the next line, we are using a very artificial construct which is usually used to you know, break up lines, but it's fine. We are breaking all the rules. All right, you can use it to break images as well. So all you have to do is type in BR. It's fine because this is the first day. I cannot emphasize it more. Now reload, and it's on the next line. All right, we have two more images to upload. I need to fix the issue with the goddamn, what do you say, blue bear, because it's not the same length and width as the other images here. Really, the blue bear is giving me extra work. So now that we have covered all the bears, black one is left. Black bear. Image SRC. Project pics. Black Bear ALT Black Bear. Again, width should be 300 pixels. This is our choice. It can be anything. 300 pixel is not default. Now we have the Black Bear. All these keychains are really cute, by the way. Now let's fix the blue bear issue. I would get a new image for a blue bear. So yeah. Now we have our blue bear. All right. Let's put it in HTML. This is our HTML website. Let's open the document. And now IMGSRC project picks uh, blue bear alternative blue bear width is 300 pixels, and we are good to go. Control S. um let's see. Yep, we have the images of all the products we are going to sell on our website. Now our next goal would be to have a banner over here, and here would be a place where you select the categories of these keychains, and moving these bears to the right side. All right, that would be our goal. So yeah, let's write a heading first. H1 50% off. Maybe let's use the symbol instead. 50% off all keychains Diwali special. And you can see that heading over here. See? And yeah, that's how you do it. This was the first day. I hope you guys have fun, and happy Diwali again.